All right, last one.
All right. This is Vin in the rally car.
This is
Super,
Vin.
yeah.
This is Vin in Picton. Rally cars are pretty safe is the title here. We have no idea what to expect
Yeah.
on this clip. I see a rally car to the right of the frame, and it looks like it's in a mountainous region.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Aye, aye,
Oh my goodness.
Big off.
Oh my
Champion
goodness.
Catapulted into the air.
Jeez.
So much force.
Oh god.
They're okay.
It's they try you just try to brace the whole body. I mean, the body is braced because of the
harness,
the harness, the
seatbelt,
cage, like everything. The car's so beefed up, but
man.
you would think the sheer amount of force.
They should offer like rally car safety on you know. Like what do I mean it's just like the you know, better frame, the whole frame around the like there's really not that much holding back.
These guys probably walked out of there though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
they
But
seem-
if you offered these types of features on
A regular car?
regular,
No, you
well, how
can't.
much do you pay probably?
Well, they're also strapped in,
No,
like
Yeah, but
heavily.
you-
but you can't.
Why?
Right? Because you would, if you ran into somebody that didn't have it, they would be decapitated. You would have a steel cage running into somebody with a crumple zone. The cars are meant to give right now to protect all parties. With the rally
Wow,
car, the concern is more doing this, going off the road.
Oh my God.
I mean,
Wow.
But it then I don't know.
if you really wanted a rally car on the road, you could probably figure it out. But as far as why automakers don't do it by default, have everybody rolling around in a roll cage, because then it would be roll cages running into roll cages.
Not only that,
Yeah,
but
no one's or less. Less
you wouldn't even
people-
have like windows or like features that you'd have in a regular car.
You know how
my-
long it would take you to get in and out of there when you're going grocery shopping? The suit, the harness, the helmet. Like, it's all the factors that kept them
Yeah.
safe.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool video though.
Well, especially the fact that, as we all presume, that they're okay after that.
This guy's like holding some papers.
Yeah, that's the...
Got like a pen.
No, it's always the guy in the passenger seat. He's like navigating.
Oh, is that
He
how it
tells you about the
works?
turns that are coming up and whatever else you need to know, what type of speed to go in at. He's along for the ride.
So why isn't that on like some form of technology, like an iPad? Or why he's got a pen and paper?
It might be now.
Oh, I see.
This is an
Okay.
old clip. I haven't actually watched Rally Race in a long time, so I can't tell you if they have some new tech now in order to deal with that, or screen or whatever. Obviously, other types of racing has advanced technologically. But the rally car scene, I mean, that's a wild one. Some of those narrow sections they come up on and some of those drops, like this looks brutal, but there are some situations where the drop is so steep that for sure you go off, you're dead, right? We've all seen these scenarios. There's some pretty incredible clips on YouTube of these corners or turns up on the side of mountains and so on. You got to really have a taste for that to go after it. That's for sure.
Yeah.
In a way, I feel like it's scarier to be the guy in the passenger seat than the driver. You feel even less in control of the situation.
Got nothing to hold on to.
You can see the head pounding. Like on each bump, the whiplash coming in. Somebody says you wouldn't want an iPad rolling around loose in a wreck like that.
Fair point. Fair point.
That'll slice your head off
Yeah.
in a wreck like that. Those papers,
Yeah, he holds on to
Not
that
so
pen
much.
pretty good though. Tell you that.
got the pen.
It seems like they're almost even having a conversation.
Like
where-
they're looking around
Yeah.
like, are we going to recover from this? Can we roll over? Can we continue on with the race? Yeah,
Wow.
that's incredible.
Cool.
Good for them. All right. Thank you so much to everybody who's joined here today. Thank you to everybody in the chat. Thank you for all the super chats, all the support. We really do appreciate it. I don't know if we're getting a copyright strike today or not, or infringement of any kind. I don't know what Will actually showed of the Kendrick Lamar video.
I showed all of it.
Did you actually? We'll find out. Thank you to Ryan for coming in for this special episode all the way from the other side of the country. Obviously, having Vin on is a pleasure as always. We hooked up an extra mic for that purpose. We're going to get him his own camera as well pretty soon here for the fourth man. We're going to have on Wednesday some kind of VR experience for Ryan and for Vin. So we can watch a couple of old men scramble in virtual reality. And possibly have the Japanese experience that Will showed earlier, built in Unreal Engine. I hope we gave you all the things that you needed today. Good night and good luck.